Hey family, it's your girl Jay from Jay's So Tastic. So what? I don't know what we're doing, some upcycling over here, and this is an upcycle tip for today. It is Monday, and I'm still working on the blue jean dress, but I wanted to give you guys a tip. Whenever you have items that you're going to be upcycling, remember that everything is fabric. Everything that you don't want to wear, everything that you no longer want, you can take it apart and make it a sustainable outfit. Okay, so with that said, right now you see me cutting up a white pair of capris that your girl could no longer fit. They was like a size 14, and I can't fit a 14 no more, even though they were stretchable. But it is stretchable, so that's the plus side about it. And I want to use some of these pieces for the blue jean dress that I am working on. So as you see, I am cutting off the band right here, and I will use this band for something else. I don't know. But I just want y'all to know that everything is sustainable. So if you have an item that you no longer want or is going to use, cut it up, girl, cut it up. You hear what I'm saying? Because right now, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I am prepping it for something later on down the line. So I'm cutting on this band, I'm even keeping the belt loops on it because I don't know what I may use it for. And you're gonna see me cutting up the zipper part, cutting that off. These are all considered to me as notions. So that I don't have to purchase them. I never know what I may need a zipper for. I never know what I may need buttons for or pockets. That way I don't have to pretty much use a pattern pocket. I can just take the pockets that I've taken from this old item that I have and reused it. So this is how we create sustainable fashion. And who don't want to do that? Because you paid money for this stuff. So why just throw it away or just maybe, if you want to donate it, that's fine. I get it. But I'm going to just reuse as much as I have because this is also going to save your girl some coins. And who ain't into saving some coins? Let me know in the comments with a white heart. Okay, since this video is done with these white capris, let me know in the comments if you're not into sustaining some coins or donating your items or just saving your items that you no longer want as they have been bought like provided to you. So yeah, I'm just cutting up some stuff, y'all, having a good old time. Not worried about it. I'm gonna use it in the blue jean dress. Like I said before, I'm adding some white to that fabric, and this fabric is a stretch fabric, so that's a plus for this dress because, as you know, all the other patches that I have been adding to the dress are all stretchable fabric so that I can have that movement that I need so it's not fitting me super duper tight. I just want to make it adjustable and I want it to fit me. So that's what I'm doing here. So continue to watch as I cut this up and let me know in the comments with a like if you thought this was helpful because I'm also trying to create a channel that is helpful, informative, that gives you information of things that you could use that you may not have thought of but that you already thought of. Because I know y'all pretty smart out there because, hey, you clicked on this channel, right? So with that said, you guys, I appreciate you all. Happy Monday. Make sure that you give God all the glory, praise, and honor that he deserves. Enjoy that eclipse. I have things going on here, sounds going on that shouldn't be going on, but oh well. I'm going to get back to work and let you guys finish watching this. And I'm sharing with you the pieces at the end of the video that I have saved from cutting up these capris, should I say, cutting up these capris. So yeah, I'm saving it all, y'all, and I'm going to use it, and you will see it in the next upcycle. Okay, whenever that may be, because y'all know, hey, it's taking me some time with this blue jean dress. I'm not in a hurry to complete it, so I hope you guys have patience and understanding with me on that as well. So I'm going to play some music for the rest of this video and let you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys in the next video. I will probably be revealing my upcycle that was in the last video. So if you haven't watched the last video, go back and watch it so you know what the next upcycle is. Okay, the completed upcycle, what it looks like. What I started with, what it looks like. Let me correct myself. What I started with, what it looks like, and the finished project. Okay, so it is coming soon. So y'all stay tuned. Otherwise, I'm still working on the shirt and I'm finishing up that bag probably today after the eclipse. So, yeah, happy Eclipse Monday as well for those who are interested in that. I don't know, but yeah. So, with that said, I'm finally going to say I bid you adieu and I will see you all in the next video. Love you guys. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate you.